job description. First, communication. Second, customer service. Third, technical skill. Fourth, creativity. And lastly, problem solving.
Background and skill. First, network. Second, sensor. Third, intelligent analysis. And lastly, intelligent action.
Current trend of the job. First, high demand salary. Second, low risk. Lastly, family time more than work.
What is application development? Well, application development is the process and practice of designing, developing, deploying, and operating software or applications that are highly available, cost-effective, and secure. What kinds of applications would be developed? Well, some of these applications you're already familiar with. Web applications, mobile applications, and cloud applications, for example. It's very likely that you're using Facebook, Twitter, or one of the other thousands of mobile applications on your telephone right now, and you've already become comfortable, familiar with this application. We also have scientific applications. Applications that would be used, for example, to help predict the weather or help predict the path of a hurricane. They would involve huge amounts of data and very heavy amounts of processing in order to perform properly. We also have application programming interfaces. This seems to be something that you may not have had any experience with, but you actually do. When you visit Facebook, Twitter, or any of these other applications, they record information about who you are, your demographics, what you click on, what you read, and they provide this information to advertisers through application programming interfaces. It's basically a way that software can talk to other pieces of software so that they can very quickly exchange information. That means it's really easy for an advertiser to quickly fire up an ad campaign that targets a very specific demographic that likes a very specific type of article, and we don't even need any humans in between to figure out who those people are or how we identify them. The APIs will talk with each other and they'll work all those details out. We also have embedded system applications. These are not visible to most people, but you probably use one. If you have a car, or if you've ever been in a car with the ability to establish cruise control, there was an embedded system application that was actually running the program that kept your car at a constant speed. Now, lots of applications, of course, but how do we actually develop those applications? And really it boils down to understanding and using a wide variety of different programming languages. Now, not every language is ideal for every possible task. And so we usually have collections of languages that are useful for one type of application versus another. For example, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are ideal if you're trying to create applications that involve web browsers. But if you are trying to write scripts to control routers or switches or other IoT types of devices, then maybe Python might be a better approach for you. If you wanted to do some serious scientific types of applications, then C++ would be a good choice. Or if you wanted to do some applications that involved big data, Java, Hadoop, Hive, or R would be some of the languages that you would consider instead.